Do y'all want to grow some strawberries? Well, in today's video, we're going to be setting up this Peekaboo Planter Kit, a strawberry kit, and we're going to see if we can grow some strawberries. I got this for Mother's Day, so we're going to set it up today and see if it's easy and simple to follow the directions. It came from Tractor Supply, so if any of y'all are looking for one, just check out your local Tractor Supply. But now, let's get started on setting up our strawberry kit. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be setting up a Peekaboo strawberry kit. It's easy on the directions it says, so let's just see how simple and easy this Tractor Supply strawberry kit really is. I got this for Mother's Day from Alan and Haley, and we're going to put it together and get us some strawberries growing. Let's get started. Okay, so we've got our directions on the back. And now we have these two blocks of our soil. And we have our bag of strawberries. Okay, the first thing we're doing is getting us 2 bowls of water. It says to soak the potting mix and soak the strawberries. Okay, so these are our strawberry plants, it says. So we're going to open them up and see what we got in here. Soak strawberry plants in water. So you put the dirt in the water. I don't see no strawberry plants. Okay, I found our strawberry plants. I guess you take them apart. There's a rubber band holding them together. So we're just going to put them in there and let them soak and break them apart. You can see a root right there on that one already starting. So we'll let that soak. And I'm going to save this potting mix right here that they had them in. Okay, now we're going to open up these little blocks. Disc is what it's called. I guess this is what we're going to have to put down in there to plant them in. Okay, it says remove plastic, put disc in bowl with 2 cups of water. Okay, we've got that. Let them set for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's growing, but only one side. We're putting them both in there. So we have those soaking. We have our strawberry plants soaking. And now we've got to wait 10 to 15 minutes. They're going to outgrow my bowl. And all my water has soaked up inside these pods. They've disappeared. The water's disappeared. They're soaking it up. I'm going to pour a little water just on the top where they didn't soak up all the way to the top. Okay, now it says to place our disc in our little container they gave us. Now we're going to see if we can pick one of these up and put them down in there. I guess I'll put that piece first. It really just releases that and it turns into your potting soil. And I'm making a mess. Firmly pack it in there. That's what the direction says. Okay, and now we're just going to take and we're going to pull our little strawberry plants apart. And I really don't know how to tell what's what, but we're going to put this one right here in the top that has this little root already trying to come up. And it says to just take your strawberry plants and place them in the little peekaboo holes and firmly pack them in. Okay, you can sort of tear them apart and tell what's going to be your little plant. So we're just going to take these now and we're going to poke our little plants down in these peekaboo holes. If any of y'all ever tried this and got these and they turned out good, comment down below and let us know. Looks like they've got it measured out good. I've got like 2 more right here. So we'll put one in here and the other 2 up top. So they do have their little plants measured out for these holes and a couple for the top. And we've already put one up there. So we're just going to place these other ones right here. And I don't know how long it'll take for these to start doing anything, but when they get started, I'll show you some pictures of what we're planting. Okay, here's one more little bitty one, and we're going to plant it just in case it is something that might come up. Okay, y'all, that's how you set up your strawberry kit, peekaboo kit from Tractor Supply. Now we'll wait and see what we get. I've got one more to set up, so we've got 2 altogether. So I might wind up with enough strawberries to make like a strawberry cobbler. Okay, y'all, we've got one more to do. We're going to get these set up and we're going to find a place outside around the garden area or flower bed to put them in. I've got to keep them away from the chickens because they'll find them and destroy them. We're going to go out this evening too, and I'm going to let the chickens out for a little bit. And I'm going to share some clips with y'all on our chickens too. Let's get started. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching our little video on putting together our Peekaboo strawberry kits. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.